at Silverstone today for the Yamaha R1M Owners Day. Yamaha invite all the R1M customers down and bring the world riders and the BSB riders to join them. It's a full-on day, they get lots of track time. The guys absolutely love it and they go home with a smile on the face.
It's not a normal track day. Everybody arrived at the circuit. We had a small presentation. They get technical information about the bike. Last night we had a really nice dinner.
It was a lovely meal presentation. We got to interact with a few of the customers. Just a great thing to be a part of.
And then, this morning we go on track.
They got a full ownings technician so they can look at their bike. They've got tyre guys. They've also got members from the Yamaha factory teams around the world. They're all encompassed in a great circuit.
Absolutely amazing experience today. You're treated as a real individual. They'll put you to one side, talk about your bike, set you up.
You go around with an instructor, then after a while you get going and you just take off.
So much adjustment on the bike. You get taken through the electronic suspension and the traction control and slide control. It's basically the ultimate sports bike.
You can nearly go out and race it the way it is. All they did was put a set of slicks in it. I don't think we're even too far off our race times. It just really shows what a great piece of kit the R1M is.
On this track, there's so many different kind of corners. There's slow corners, there's fast corners. So it's a perfect track to find the strong points of the bike.
I never drive in Silverstone before. Terrific track, unbelievable.
The R1 experience is absolutely fantastic. The most favourable bit was getting out on that track. Words fail me, it's brilliant.
The ability of those bikes is just unbelievable. It's incredible out there on the track, absolutely incredible.